Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing moisture and blocking sweat pores. Do this now. Wash hands with gentle soap, then dry carefully for 15 to 30 seconds so antiperspirant can adhere. Apply a clinical-strength aluminum chloride product at night. This works while you sleep. Once done, put on breathable cotton gloves or thin absorbent pads during activities to keep hands dry and reduce slipping. These steps reduce immediate sweat production and protect skin. Make sure to follow product instructions and avoid broken skin. Once you've handled immediate care, move to targeted treatments that change how sweat glands behave. Iontophoresis delivers mild electrical current through water for 10 to 20 minutes, 3 times weekly. It reduces output by disrupting gland activity. If that's insufficient, talk to your clinician about prescription topicals like glycopyrronium or short-term oral anticholinergics. These block nerve signals to glands. Also, incorporate stress control, cooling strategies, and swap synthetic gloves for cotton. These adjustments lower triggers and improve long-term control. If conservative measures fall short, consider advanced solutions. Botox injections temporarily block nerve signals to sweat glands and can last months. They are precise and effective for POMS. For severe, refractory cases, surgical sympathectomy or gland excision is an option. Discuss risks, side effects, and recovery thoroughly with a surgeon. Once you decide, schedule follow-up to measure results. If you still experience persistent wetness, reassess medication, stressors, and device settings. Make sure to consult a specialist for tailored troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.